Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about Tricenties TOSCA 2024 key features. If you want to training, please join demo sessions for advanced TOSCA trainings. This is a purely online training. It called both Web and SAP. So let me start key features 2024. The first one, Tricenties TOSCA 2024 key features, action mode enhancement. So action mode buffer. There is a new enhancement from the action mode buffer. So now it's supported arrays. Okay, enhanced action mode buffer to support arrays. Now you can buffer an entire column or row as an array. So another enhancement API scan to improve the multi-part attachment workflow to support multiple parts of the different formats from API. So one more big update, distributed execution. In legacy distribution execution and legacy distribution framework, little bit difficult. And there is a lot of challenges when we are integrated with the DEX and agent servers. So now there is a updated DEX agent to latest technology. The communication between DEX server and agent much faster. So this is improved version. It improves user interface responses and speed up the detection of the server addresses. And DocuSnapper, the several updates to the DocuSnapper, okay, for results of the documentation with the PDF documents or Word documents. This is the latest feature. The better performance and extended reporting scope and more flexibility in outputs. Better customization. This is the advantage for DocuSnap. The coming to .NET framework enhanced. They are currently using latest .NET framework. Okay, it supported WPF forms and WinForms. This is the related to Windows-based applications. So integration with the TOSCA clouds. So there is a integration with the TOSCA cloud and on premises. There is a two options available based on the customer requirement. Either you have to choose cloud-based SaaS application hosted by the Tricenties or on premises projects. Next, mobile engine enhancement. Mobile engine 3.0 enhance the performance of the mobile engine. We optimized our mobile web test automation. It supports you with better performance, functionality, and compatibility during the scan and test executions. So debugging process also much easier now from 2024 version. So improve the flexibility of mobile scan. Next, Salesforce enhancement. So there are a lot of challenges in the Salesforce. Now, few challenges they improved in this version. Okay, the control identification and extended Salesforce support. And a few changes from the standard subset modules, the scope and efficiency of our tests, helping you automate better and faster. The new modules introduced from the 2024, barcode reader, check web page for broken links, T-box close program, T-box iterate array, and T-box zip file and T-box unzip file. This is the new modules introduced from the 2024. Enhance the existing modules as well. T-box context menu. This is the enhanced. And T-box file amend. This is also enhanced. T-box take a screenshots to choose the monitor or screen that you want to take a screenshot. Capture the screenshot of your browser or remote browser and enjoy the greater flexibility in choosing where you to save the screenshots. And T-box Windows operation, apply all the operations on child objects or child windows. And close save Excel workbook. Define Excel range. This is the enhanced from the existing modules from previous versions. Next, from SAP side, SAP UI Theory release enhancement and SAP NWBC all releases and patches supported by the SAP. SAP success factors SAP GUI for all releases and patches supported by SAP, performance improvements for the larger and complex repositories, and integration with 64-bit versions of SAP GUI. So previously what happened, SAP GUI 32-bit, it's supported by the TOSCA, but now as integrated with 64-bit version of the SAP GUI. Coming to enhanced mobile user experience and extended mobile framework support. Improved automation support for mobile web, including the ability of detect access rich internet applications framework. Improved performance of mobile web applications. Improved UI in TOSCA Mobile Scan for more streamlined and efficient experiences. And framework support in TOSCA Mobile. Improved offset to click and swipe actions. This is the latest changes from 2024. Many more new features. TOSCA Copilot generate API-powered assistance, Vision AI, risk-based test optimization, prioritize what you test, service visualization, test data management. Those are the key features updated. Okay, so coming to trainings, Tricentis TOSCA advanced trainings. It's supported like I will be provide web-based applications as well as UI-based applications, SAP-based applications. If you want, join demo. So these are the topics. Time for update manual testing, SAP Basis, SAP Testing Process, how to write manual test cases for SAP application, and SAP SD order to cash business process. Okay, so cash sales business process. Okay, this is the business process which we'll cover during the training. Okay. Then TOSCA advanced concepts, TOSCA DEX AOS integration, TOSCA Jenkins integration, and TOSCA TCL, TOSCA mobile automation, TOSCA API automation, TOSCA framework, and many more real-time features. It will be covered during the training. So please join training if you want. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Hello. చెప్పు